Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this video I will show you Html5 Canvas. So guys, Canvas we mostly use for drawing and here we can use gaming purpose as well. So in this video I will just show you the basic idea of Canvas. Here I will show you how you can create line. So guys, you can create different kind of design like rectangle, circular, line, anything you can create and you can use those for gaming purpose. Okay, like if you want to create 2D game, so you have to use Canvas. So if you want to learn game and Canvas, so you can watch this tutorial. So here in this tutorial I will not show you the game. Here just a basic thing I will start, but in this playlist I will show you the game as well. Okay, how you can create game. So now for that guys, here I have added basic HTML structure already. Here you can see, and here in this body tag I will start to write the code. So first of all, here you have to write the basic thing, that is Canvas, and Canvas mainly based on JavaScript. Okay, here it is called HTML5 Canvas, but mainly we use JavaScript for creating game and drawing purpose as well. Okay, so here we need to add this tag, Canvas tag. Okay, that is mandatory tag. If you don't add Canvas tag, then it won't work. Okay, so here I told you like Canvas we use for gaming purpose. So when we play the game, so we need a playground, right? So that's why it is Canvas. So here you can consider Canvas is the playground. Okay, so in this Canvas here like we can design like how our playground with height. Okay, so here same thing for here you can add the width and height. So here I will add width is suppose 200, and after that height attribute I will write here height, and that is also 200, and here I will add one border. Okay, so style border 1 pixel solid and one color, suppose red color. So now I will do save. So here you will notice one playground is created for us. Now in this playground I can create our game. Okay, so this is Canvas. If you increase the height or width, it will increase. Suppose here if I add 400, so this one will be 400. Okay, so here those things you can define here, or as well you can define in your CSS. Okay, so you can create CSS inline, external, internal. So here you can see I have created inline CSS. Okay, but if you want to external CSS, so you can simply do that. Like here you have like internal CSS, so you can do like this. So even if you want to add external CSS as well, so here style and this then Canvas tag. So I will write Canvas tag and like this. Even if you want to write based on ID class name, you can do that as well. Like suppose you want to use ID, so here I will write ID and ID name is suppose this one. Okay, anything you can write. So based on this you can write your CSS. Even you can write the JavaScript as well based on this ID. Okay, so now here I will not write ID because here when we play any game, so that time we need one playground, right? Same game we don't play in inside two playground. So that's why here Canvas will be one time this tag. In our one page it will be one time. So here I will write based on this tag name. Okay, because this tag name won't be another time. Okay. So here in this Canvas, here I will write this border instead of here. Okay, so here border is suppose now I will add 2 pixels solid and red color. Okay, and I will remove from here. So here you can see same thing is added. Okay, that now our playground is created. Now here I will suppose add some design like today I will show you the line, how you can create a line. Okay, so line, then next video I will show you the circle, then rectangle. So after that I will show you like how you can create game, because if you are going to create any game, so that time those design are required. So that's why we have to we have to see like how to create the design. So here after that it is mainly based on JavaScript. So here I will write script tag. So script opening and closing tag, this one. Okay, and now here inside the script tag, first of all here here I have to take one variable. So variable name you can write anything. I will write the name is C, and document dot get element by tag name. Okay, by tag name, like this way, because here I haven't used any ID. So this way you can write, or else if you want to add any ID, so you can write like canvas ID name. Okay, so here I will write now get element by ID, and ID name is this canvas. Okay, like this. So here also you can change, you can write the CSS based on the tag or even based on the ID. So if I write this canvas ID, this one here, so it will be the same. Okay, so this is the common thing when you are working for the canvas. You have to write this one, this line. Okay, and the another line is C. Here I will write another variable like ctx and C. This C dot get context. Okay, get context. C is the capital context. Here you have to define 2D, because I already told like canvas used for 2D game. Okay, so here you have to define get context 2D. So those two lines you have to remember, and after that everything you have to remember, but you can change as per your requirement. Okay, so now here if I save and if I show you, so you won't find anything because I haven't added any design. So now here I will start to write the design code. Okay, so here now everything we have to work based on this variable. Okay, so here I will write ctx dot move to is the capital. So here so our line here I'm going to create line, right? So our line will start from where? In our playground. So here our line will start from this position, right? From beginning, right? Means width wise it will start from here, even height wise it will start from top. Means width wise it will start from left and height wise it will start from top. Okay, means 0, like left will be 0 and height will be 0 also, right? So now after that here I have to write ctx dot line 2, here line 2. So here we have to define the width and height of our line. So our line width I will write 200, and here you can notice like our playground width is 400. Okay, so here more than 400 width if I write, so our line will overflow from our playground, right? So that's why here I have to write less than canvas width. Okay, so 200 height, and here 200 width, and here I have to write the height. So our playground height is 200, so we cannot write more than 200, we can write up to 200. Okay, so here I will write up to 200. Okay, now here the main thing I have to write ctx dot stroke. Okay, so then our line will come. If I remove this one, so our line will not display. Okay, so those thing you have to remember for creating a line, but those number you can write as per your requirement. Okay, so now if I save and if I show you, so see our line starting left 0 and top 0, right? And it is going up to width is 200 and height is 200. Okay, so our canvas height means our playground height, if you consider, so means if you consider canvas is a playground, so here the playground height is 200 and our line height is 200, so that's why it is here. Okay, but our playground width is 400, but I wrote our line width will be 200, so here it is middle. Okay, if you want to add this line here, just notice my mouse pointer. So if you want to add the line here, so you have to write this width also similar our canvas width, okay, means 400. So then our line will come end, you can see here, okay. So and even it is starting from 0 0, so that's why it is here. But if you want to start if you want to add some space in left side, okay, means here, so that time here you can add some space. 10 means it will add some 10 pixel space from left side, okay. And if you want to add here 100, so you will notice it will come from here. So same thing if you want to start this line from middle, okay. So how you can do that? Just see, our width is 400, so here you have to add space 200, because 400 is the less 400 half is 200, okay. So then our line will start from middle. See here, our line is starting from middle, okay. Even if you want to end line in middle, so you can change those things, okay. Like here you can change like 200, okay. So our line will start from here, means what happening here, like our line starting from 200 left and line will go up to 200 width is going up to 200, so it is like that, okay. So now here if you want to start line from here, okay, from this one, okay. So here you have to write height 200, okay, because this is left, not height, this is for, if I comment the first parameter adding left, okay. So in canvas terms it called x, okay. Just for explaining purpose I'm telling left, okay. But in canvas, so I'll write here left and x, and in brackets I will write left, okay. In canvas terms you will find it will left and it will x, okay. And the next parameter is y, means if I make it easy for explaining purpose, so I will say top, okay. And this one width here, and this one height, okay. First parameter is width and second parameter is height. So if you want to start from here, so that means you have to add some space in top, right? Because your line will add some space in top, and you have to write here top. And what will be the top? That will be height is 200, so our top will be 100. Then it will come in middle, right? And width is 400, but here it is starting from here, but width will start from here, right? 0. Our width left will start from here, right? 0, not width. Left 0 means this one you have to write 0, okay. See, just understand this one. Top here, if I want to start from here, okay, that means top it is half of the half of height of our canvas, right? So it is 100, because our canvas height is 200, so it will be 100, and left it is starting from 0, okay. So here I have to write 0 and 100. So let's see how it will come. See, it is coming from here, okay. And now width our canvas width is from here to here, it is 400. So our line width I have to write here 400, okay, 400. And the line height, this height, so this height, canvas height is 200. So if I want to add here middle, so line height also it will be 100, okay, because I want to add in middle, so 100, so it will like that, okay. So guys, this way you can change your line position. If you want to end this line here, okay, in middle of this canvas, means your line width is half of your canvas width, okay. So here you have to write 200, so your line will end here, okay. Just by this left, top, width, height, by this way you can move your line. Okay, if you have any doubt, first you can write in comment section, and if you have the more doubt, so you can connect with my Insta ID, and Insta ID will get in description. I will try to explain in comment section. Okay, so try to write in comment if you have any doubt. Okay, so now this is the line. Now I will come to the line color. Okay, or line width. First, line width. Okay, so here you have to add line width. So here you have to write ctx dot line width. W is the capital of line width, and here you can just put the number. Okay, so here I have added 5. So you can see it is width is increased, right? 5. So same way, if you add 50, so width will increase up to 50, like this way you can change. Now here I will come to the line color. Okay, so here after that, here I will write ctx dot stroke style. Those property you have to remember. Okay, don't forget those. Stroke style. S is the capital of style. Okay, and here you can put the color code. Okay, so here I will write hash and double F this color code. Okay, or you can change the color code. So this is red color code actually. So it is coming the red. This line color is now red. Okay, so now this is the line. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Again I'm saying. Okay, so guys, now here I have added one color, that is red. But guys, if you want to add the color gradient, so you can do that. Okay, now I will show you how you can add gradient color. So first of all, here I have to take one variable. Variable name is gradient. Okay, by the way, you can write any name of this variable, and in this gradient variable you have to write ctx dot create linear gradient. Okay, so L is the capital and here G is the capital, and it takes 4 parameter. So 4 parameter means first is left, means your gradient color will start from what you want to add. Okay, that is left. Okay, so left is suppose 10, and after that y is 100. If you notice here, one pop-up is showing. Okay, x0. X means here I already said left, and y means it is top. Okay, so from top your gradient color you can set the position. So I set it 100. Okay, and after that it will be you can say it width. Okay, width and height. So here I will write 100 and 0. Okay, width is 100, height is 0. This is the gradient position. Okay, now you can add the gradient. Okay, this gradient, this variable, this gradient variable. So I'll copy that variable and I'll paste here. Dot add color stop means where you want to stop your color and which color. Okay, so here add color. So C is the capital and stop, stop. Okay, now it takes 2 params. So one is the number, I will write here 0, and the color name. Color name you can write anything. So here I will write the color name is this one. Okay, and after that the same thing I will copy here, and copy and paste, and you can add many gradient color. Okay, I will add 3 color. So here first I will set the position. So 0.10, and here color name I will add blue, and again I will copy and paste in below, and this color name I will add 10, and I will change the position is 1.0. Okay, and instead of this color code, because now I am going to add gradient color, so this gradient variable I will add here. Okay, this is variable, so I'll remove the double inverted comma, otherwise it is coming as a string. So this gradient, and now I'll do save, and if I check, so you can see the gradient color is coming. Okay, now here if I change the position, so this is for left. So if you add 100, let's see how it will come. See, our gradient position is starting from 100. Okay, so here you can't see the gradient coming from left to right, because here our line width is 100, and if I wrote if I write this color is 100, left will start from 100, so that's why it is not looking like gradient color coming from left side. So here instead of 100, if I write 50, so let's see. So now you can see it is looking like our gradient color coming from left to right. But when I have written 100, so that time it was looking like it is coming from top blue, and bottom is pink color, right? So that's why here this is the width. I hope it is clear now. So here I will write 20, and this is height. So height, our now our line height is width, okay, means 50. So if I write here 50, so let's see. So it is coming like this. Okay, so this way you can change your color position. So main thing is you can add the gradient color, and those are the property name you have to remember, but those property value you have to change as per the requirement. Okay, so I hope guys it is clear. If you have any kind of doubt, you can write in the comment section, and the next video I will show you how to create the rectangle and how to create circle. Okay, and if you think those are not important, so you are wrong actually, because when you will create game, so that time we will create game based on those things. Okay, like line, suppose you have a ping pong game. Okay, so that time I have one, I will show you. Okay, so here I will just open my website and I will show you, then you can understand, like you need, okay, you need those things. So let's see where it is. See, this is the game. Okay, I already have created. So here this is the line, actually this is the line, and the ball is circle. Again I'll reload. If you notice, the ball is circle. Okay, so this way you have to create the game. So here, so that is the thing, you can move like this way. Okay, so here you can move this range slider and you can play the game like this. Okay, so here line, circle is required. Okay, so watch those things. Okay, and in next video I'll show you how to create the circle.